When we think of big cats from the Pleistocene era, it's easy to imagine them as fierce, unstoppable predators. These ancient felines had the power to intimidate even larger animals and dominate their enemies with their massive, sharp fangs. However, their terrifying appearance didn't always match their actual strength. In fact, their deadly bites were much weaker compared to today's big cats. Yes, we are talking about the cat with 30-centimeter-long fangs, which is called the saber-toothed cat, or more famously known as Smilodon. There are many different classifications of saber-toothed tigers, but 3 separate species are the most recognizable. These 3 species of Smilodons are Smilodon gracilis, Smilodon fatalis, and Smilodon populataire. Among these species, Smilodon populataire was the largest of saber-toothed cat. They weighed around 220 to 400 kilograms, with height of 1.2 meter and length of 2.6 meter. They had 30-centimeter long teeth, and they were alive around 10,000 to 1 million years ago. Their cousin, Smilodon fatalis, were the medium species of Smilodons. Their weight was about 160 to 280 kilograms, with 1 meter height. Length of the body was 1.7 to 2 meters, with tail being 30 centimeter. They had 18-centimeter long canines and were alive between 10,000 to 1.6 million years ago. Their ancestors, Smilodon gracilis, was the smallest among all species. It weighed around 55 to 100 kilograms, which is similar to modern jaguar, and their height reached about 1 to 1.2 meter. Their canines were 17.8 centimeters long. They are considered to be the oldest species alive, between 500,000 to 2.5 million years ago. They initially lived in North America. Then, when the continent connected with South America, the tigers inhabited the other continent as well. Their long, sharp fangs were the distinctive feature, along with a short tail, robust limbs, and neck muscles. This made them look more like a bear than the cats we see today. Because of their large, jutted canines, the saber-toothed cat filled the niche of predators in 2 Americas. However, they didn't use the whole potential of their fangs because their jaw muscles weren't developed enough. The bite force of Smilodon was about 100 kilograms. Their jaw gape could reach 120 degrees, while modern-day lion's gape is only 65 degrees. Therefore, if Smilodon attacked their prey properly, their bites were deadly. They fed on the meat of weaker animals like deer, bisons, tapirs, and horses. It is also known that they attacked young mammoths. Moreover, humans might also have been their prey. However, it hasn't been confirmed. The analysis of Smilodon's bones also proves that they lived in groups. It turns out that throughout their lifetime they were often severely injured, which made it impossible for them to hunt and even walk. If a modern-day cat, for example, a leopard, experiences such a situation, it usually dies from hunger before the injury heals because the cat has no help. However, many Smilodons manage to recover from their injuries. It proves that some other individual had to provide the wounded tiger with food, even for many weeks. Although being such a wild beast with gifted weapons, these species couldn't survive. There are several hypotheses concerning the extinction of this prehistoric big cat. The first one is about their incapability of hunting smaller and faster animals. Therefore, when larger species started to go extinct, the saber-toothed cat joined them too. The second hypothesis is associated with climate changes that might have led to the extinction of mammoths and giant deer. But the theory that temperature changes were the only reason for the extinction of Smilodons is unlikely. The third hypothesis assumes that humans were reason for the extinction of Smilodons. Since people appeared in both Americas, they had started to hunt herbivores, which were the food of big cats, and such decrease in their meal led them to disappear. The fourth theory includes a contagious disease that was brought to America by humans. The disease has been considered the reason for the extinction of all prehistoric animals. However, this theory is unlikely because the existence of a virus or bacteria that kill mammals, reptiles, and birds at the same time hasn't been proved.